Here is your spelling task for today. The first thing that you are expected to do is to see if you can think about what this word is. Okay, so the word starts with the letter L and it ends with the letter S. There are 6 letters in this word, okay, and you have to guess what the word is. I've been kind to you and I have given you some clues. So here are the clues. The word follows a plural spelling rule we looked at last week. So think of some of the spelling rules we looked at last week. So we know it's a plural, it means more than one. There's another clue. They are a natural object that can be found outside. And they can change colour throughout the year. So have a go. What do you think the missing word is? Write it down and then upload it to Seesaw with the rest of your spelling words. Okay? Then, if you want to extend yourself even further, challenge yourself by writing down all of the other words you can think of that follow this spelling rule. Okay? Once you've done that, your next task today, our word of the day is imagine. Okay, so think about what you know about that word. It's a little bit of a tricky word to spell. Okay, and then to learn this word, imagine, even if you know it already, you're still going to choose one spelling strategy today, and you are going to learn to spell the word imagine by using a strategy. These strategies are the same as yesterday. Okay, so you can choose one a day. Choose one and go into it really deeply. Okay, learn that word and investigate that word using one of these strategies. Okay. If you think that you can create your own spelling strategy, then you can do that afterwards as well to challenge yourself a little bit more. Okay, so remember these strategies from yesterday. Look at the YouTube clip to help you if you're not sure what each of them mean. Okay, so you can choose one strategy and you're going to learn to spell the word of the day, which is imagine. Okay, imagine the great things that you are going to achieve. That is our word of the day. Then if you want to challenge yourself even further in your learning, then take the word of the day, which is imagine, and you can complete this investigation sheet. Okay, so you'll look at that word really carefully and you'll do lots and lots of things to help you understand what that word means, okay, where it's come from and how to use it in a sentence. The more you challenge yourself, the easier it will be to remember that spelling and any other words that have that same sound in it. Good luck.